Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the right tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean lint-free cloth for cleaning. Now, let's start by turning off the laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Next, flip the laptop over to access the bottom panel. You will notice several screws securing the rear casing. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep track of the screws as they can be easily lost. For this model, there are typically 10 screws that need to be removed. Once all screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Insert the spudger into the seam between the casing and the laptop body, and carefully work your way around to release the clips holding the cover in place. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any components inside. Now that the back cover is removed, you can inspect the internal components for any dust or debris. It's a good practice to clean the internals with compressed air, ensuring that the cooling fans and vents are clear. This helps in maintaining the laptop's performance. For those who may not have the tools or time to do this, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy to get your laptop serviced. Next, check for any loose connections or components. If you notice any cables that seem disconnected, gently reseat them. If the casing itself is cracked or damaged, you might consider replacing it. Make sure to source the correct replacement part specific to the Lenovo G50-80 model. After addressing any internal issues, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Align the back cover with the laptop and press down firmly until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight to prevent stripping the screws. As a final step, clean the exterior casing with a gentle cleaner and the lint-free cloth to remove any fingerprints or smudges. If you need assistance or prefer not to handle the repair yourself, we provide a quote before repair, so you know the cost up front. Finally, turn the laptop back on and ensure everything is functioning properly. This process not only enhances the appearance of your Lenovo G50-80 but also improves its performance. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.